Hello everyone, I welcome you all in today's video because I'll be showing you how to open a zip file on MacBook in just a few steps, okay? So let's get started. Okay, so guys, if you downloaded some files and from someone else or from a website or from a kind of source or link, and that file guys is gonna zip and you wanted to open it. So how are we going to open that guys on our MacBook? So by doing that guys, you can follow the steps that I'll be showing you today, okay? So the first thing we need to do guys, we need to go to the Finder, okay? And search for the file that we wanted to open, okay? The zip file. Okay, so guys, I have here a sample file. Okay, I'll be going to downloads, and here guys I have folders, application, documents, images, movies, music, PDF documents, spreadsheets, and also the other file. So this one guys, the Adobe Photoshop guys, this is an example of zip file. So how are we going to open this guys? So you just have to double click this one, okay? Double click. Okay, so it says here I need a password. So you just have to type the password, and some other files don't need to have, put the some password there, and you just have to agree by opening it. You can click that okay. And actually I already opened this zip file. I can cancel it. And as you can see, so this is the successful one that I opened, okay? So that's it guys. So I hope you learn, and you know learn something from this video, and I hope you enjoy it also. And please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on MacBook. Thank you.